You may or may not notice, but I did cut my hair. This is honestly shorter than I've had it in like 7 years. I feel like the last time that I cut it this short was a really long time ago. I didn't go into the hairdresser like planning to go this short. As she was like cutting, I'm like, oh, a little more. And then I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw it, I'm like, oh, that's short, but I actually love it. I feel like I really needed to cut it this short for me, just because I've been like thinking about going short again for so long. I mean, for me and like my typical hair length, this is very short. I think it's like a fun little change up, especially for the holidays, but I feel like older and more professional. Do you know what I mean? Let's do my makeup though and talk about this video. So I am very sorry because I know that we did not do a December reset, and I'm honestly very not happy with myself about that, but it's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. If you don't know, I started a monthly reset series back in, I think September was the first month, and I loved it. Definitely will be like bringing it back in January and everything in 2024. Right after Thanksgiving, I ended up getting sick again, which that's a conversation for another video, but I definitely feel like I have been just getting cold way more than I should. And I think I know the reason, to be honest. I guess, well, I said I was going to save it for a video, but we'll have a quick little chat. I have not been taking care of myself. I have not been fueling my body with the foods and the nutrients that it needs. I have not been exercising nearly as much as I should. Recently started to track my macros just to make sure that I'm hitting my numbers. Like, if you don't know, your macros are your proteins, fats, and healthy carbs that you are eating. Honestly, I was not coming anywhere close to meeting those. I was eating plenty of foods. I was like full, but I just wasn't eating foods with healthy nutrients that my body needed. Like, definitely so low on protein. And just like, I haven't really been as consistent with my vitamins, so I just have not been feeling good physically. I keep getting sick, because if you remember back in October, I got a really bad cold too. So it's just like, it just really made me think when I got sick after Thanksgiving, I'm like, okay, this is a little bit ridiculous. I have talked to my doctor as well. I actually did get blood work done too, to kind of like check that, and everything came back normal, thankfully. But I just, and then when I really thought about it, and I'm like, Kat, you have not been taking care of yourself physically. Before 2024 even comes, I am really prioritizing my physical health, because I just haven't been doing that. Like I said, I got a gym membership. I've been starting to go back there, and oh my gosh, it's snowing. Look, hold on, I gotta show you this. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I don't think it's gonna stick, but it looks pretty. Can you see that? I feel like you can't really tell as well on camera, but it is snowing. Oh, that looks so pretty. I forgot how we even got on that. Why did I start talking? Oh, because I was explaining why we didn't do a December reset. The point of all this, we're not going to be doing like a full December reset just because it's already December. We do still have a very lengthy to-do list that we are going to be going through today. We ordered new counters and they kept getting delayed, but they come tomorrow. So actually after this, we have to go downstairs and clear, well, first we're gonna have to clean the kitchen, do a clean with me for the home reset, which is what else is new. But also we have to clear everything out of the base cabinets. That way when Tim gets home, he can rip up all of the existing cabinet counters. We did decide to go with a faux marble looking laminate, so I'm very excited to see how that's going to turn out. I think it's really going to brighten up the space. We also have a new piece of furniture, like a console table that I ordered from Wayfair, that we're going to be putting together. Tim will be putting together because he's awesome. And we will be decorating for the hallway just for more storage, but there's also going to be more space to decorate. And then I ordered a new bath mat, like a long rug type of thing for the bathroom upstairs. So that room is actually pretty messy right now. So we're going to do some cleaning in there and add the bath mat in there. I also recently got a new runner for the kitchen, so I'm really excited to show you that. That looked so beautiful. So, and it's like super cozy and comfy to like stand on. Comfy, that's not the right word, but you know what I mean. So those are some of like the big home updates that we're going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to take this out because I love headbands. I love how they look, but they hurt my head if I wear them for too long. Let's go downstairs because we are going to start cleaning the kitchen. I said that as if it was going to be so much fun. I mean, it's not going to be bad, but you know. All right, let's go. Actually, first, let's clean the bathroom. It's super messy, as you can see. This is kind of embarrassing. The drill and stuff is here because Tim had recently so the shower curtain that was here was like the one that like just kind of expands, but it would always fall. So we got one that he screwed into the wall. So he did that. This is the old mat that is gonna go, and then the new one is actually coming later today. So we'll do that. But first, let's clean this all up. time to clean the kitchen. I can't believe that in less than 24 hours, we're gonna have all new counters. Although in less than 24 minutes, and even less than that, we're gonna have a brand new carpet, because we're gonna do that before we clean, just because I want to lay it out. I actually had already put it out, but I took it off so that I can show you me putting it down, because I feel like that's more satisfying, you know what I mean? I got this off Amazon and I highly recommend. It's so soft, and they have a bunch of different like color, not the 8x10 or 2x8, 8x10. Okay, take this out. Isn't that beautiful? I feel like it just adds such like a warmth to the kitchen, and I feel like this carpet really warms up the space. So let me know what you think. And I feel like it like elongates the kitchen because now you have this like long rug. Oh, also, I don't think that I showed y'all these new stools yet though. I got these from Amazon. They were like 60 something bucks for 2 of them. And I feel like they're really nice, and they like fit in this area perfectly. I feel like they literally look like they came with the island, but they did not. Definitely think that any sort of a home update is such a fun little refresh, even if it's something as simple as new decor that you put out, or new cabinet pulls that you add to your kitchen, or a new candle with a new scent that you add. And I find that whenever I make a little bit of a refresh or an update to my space, it really makes me feel more inspired, whether it's my home like this, where I feel more inspired to film or new video ideas, or if I'm like making updates in my home office, and then I feel more inspired and excited to go to work. And this could be the same if you work an office job and you're adding a couple new decor pieces to your office desk at work or something like that. It just gives you such a burst of motivation and excitement to put more energy and effort into whatever it is that you're doing. So I challenge you to make some sort of a little update to your home. This could literally be, like I said, a new scent that you add in, or a new piece of decor, or switching out the light switch holders. I don't know. It could be anything. Maybe adding a new piece of decor to your desk at work, or a new gadget to your car, something that's going to change up the space a little bit and make you more excited and inspired in it. So this is what the bathroom looks like with the current mat. Obviously it's fine, it's been there for years, but it's like the bathroom is pretty long here, and then obviously the shower is over there. And I wanted something that was gonna go all the way down, so like when I have to run to the bathroom in the middle of the night, my feet aren't cold, you know what I mean? So this is the one that I got. I think it's gonna look really pretty. It's an 8x10, or gosh, I said that before too, an 8x2. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. It is so soft. It's like obviously very thin, but it's got the like no slip on the back, very soft. I don't know how absorbent it's gonna be, but it said that it was a bath mat, or like it could be used as a bath mat. So I'm very happy. Looks so weird like this. I can't believe we're finally getting the counters though. I feel like it's been forever that we've been thinking, or like we ordered them forever ago, so I'm really excited for this to all be completed. All right, here's the before with no counters. And new counters. Oh gosh, what do you think? So it is the next day. We are still gonna have to do a new backsplash. And then we are thinking about still painting the top cabinets. So this, is definitely not the final look, but I think they're so pretty. So they're like this faux marble looking laminate. For our situation, I feel like these are perfect. I feel like just looking at them, they give you that look of like nice, bright, clean, but obviously at a fraction of the cost of what we would have paid, which I'd rather save that budget for our next home that will be like a long-term place. So I'm very happy with this. Oh, I have to add that thing in. There we go. Okay, let's put everything else back now. I'm so happy with this. I feel like it really does brighten up the space, and I think once we do like a more cohesive backsplash, and I'm going to change like those plugs out to be, or like the plug covers to be matte black, and then all of like the cabinet knobs and drawer pulls and everything will be like the matte black ones I got. So we still have some work to do, but it's coming along really nicely, and I think the counters make such a difference. I think they're so beautiful and they feel really nice. Ooh, this is what I was really excited to do. We're gonna wipe them down. First time wiping them down. Oh shoot, I forgot. I still have to refill the cabinets. Okay, we'll do that later. I don't feel like doing that right now. But we are gonna wipe down the counters. I guess I should have moved that, but that's okay. We'll just move around it for right now. And like, there's still a little bit of the scent of like the glue that they had to use. That doesn't smell very nice, so this will make it smell a little prettier. What's up again? It's been a day or 2 days, something like that. Anyways, as you can see, the kitchen is already a mess again, so we're gonna tidy this up. But also, Tim started putting the piece of furniture that I told you all about together last night, and it's like pretty much done. The only thing left to do is the drawers, which is, you can see in here, it's still a mess. We're gonna do that. Oh, hold on, my mom's calling me. So this is what it's looking like so far. I got this off Wayfair, so I will have it linked in the description. Obviously, we still have to add the drawers and like the pulls and everything. The one thing that I was kind of debating is it obviously makes the hallway a little smaller, but I think the storage, like you can still walk through there easily, like, see? And the storage that it adds is really, really valuable. So this is the next evening, and Tim had helped me put together the first drawer, and now here I am putting the second drawer together. I wanted to do it all by myself, and look, we did. It definitely is one of those things that when you first start, it's like super overwhelming, but then once you finish it, it's super satisfying and rewarding feeling. So we put the drawer together. My camera actually died, so I don't have like the footage cut off, but then here I am adding the drawers in. I think it looks so nice, and I'm so excited about all the added storage that we now have. And as for decorating, now I think when it comes to decorating for Christmas, sometimes you are going to have to remove pieces. Well, first here's me putting all the knobs on the doors, but you'll see in a second, I decided to remove that photo that was above it just because I do love that photo there, but for right now, it just didn't really match. So I added these little trees, a little bowl with some ornaments, and some wooden rope, and I think it looks super, super pretty.